Hello, good morning everyone. So students, as you know, we have to start exercise 31. Okay, word problems on multiplication. See, this is exercise 31. Okay, you should open your book with me only in the class and read the statement with me so that you can understand the things nicely with me in the class itself. Okay, and for better understanding in mathematics subject, students, you should have a rough copy and a pencil with you also so that you can do the calculations with me only. So exercise 31 beta, it contain, as you can see in the screen, it contain 15 questions. Okay, so today we will discuss question number 1 to today we will discuss question number 1 to 7, right? We will discuss question number 1 to 7 and from that I will explain you all, but I will solve for you only 3 to 4 sums. Rest 3 or 4 you can do yourself, okay? But I will explain you all the word problems nicely. So students, question number 1, okay, read with me. A packet contains 144 balloons. Find the number of balloons in 26 such packets. Write the number sentence. Now imagine this story in your mind. Like you have a packet, okay, in that packet there are 144 balloons. You have to imagine karo, there is a packet, in that packet there are 144 balloons. Now they are saying if you will have 26 such packets like this, then what will be the number of total balloons? Okay, so let's understand nicely. See, this situation I have framed for you, like I have shown you, like this is one packet, okay, ये एक one packet है. In this one packet you can see that there are 144 balloons, okay. This is the second packet. In this packet also 144 balloons are there. This is the third packet. In this also 144 balloons. This is the fourth packet. In this also 144 balloons. This is the fifth packet. In this also 144 balloons. So this way they are talking about 26 packets. 26 packets. Up now students, it is not possible for you to add 144, then 144 of the another packet, then 144 of the another packet. You will not be able to add them, and then of course it will be a very tough process for you to calculate the total number of packets, right? So students, as we know, the repetition of a same number again and again, if it is there, what we do? We simply do the multiplication. So as you can see that in this problem we have to add 144 again and again, because in this problem they were asking find out the number of balloons in 26 packets. ठीक है? So आप बेटा basically इसमें क्या करोगे? You will see only कि okay, there is a information about one packet. ठीक है, ये आप अपने माइंड में स्टोर कर लोगे. ओके, कि इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम इज गिविंग यू द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट वन, इट कैन बी वन पैकेट, इट कैन बी वन बॉक्स, इट कैन बी वन बास्केट, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग रिलेटेड विद वन. ओके, तो आपने बेटा उस क्वेश्चन में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अब डेफिनेटली दे विल आस्क अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स इन मोर. Okay, like in this question only they have given you the information about balloons. Okay, the number of balloons in one packet is 144. आपको one packet की information दी है, and definitely they are asking about more packets. More packets means how much? How many? 26 packets. तो यहाँ पे आप ये relation अपने mind में store कर सकते हो बेटा कि if you have to go from one to many, आपने इंग्लिश में किया हुआ है ना, one cat, many cats, है ना, ऐसे किया है ना आपने. तो यहाँ पे आप ऐसे अपने माइंड में स्टोर कर लो कि इफ अगर आपको कोई वन की इंफॉर्मेशन दी है और वो ज्यादा की पूछ रहे हैं तो आपने क्या करना होता है? मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. Okay, like one packet contain balloons 144, 26 packets contain balloons. First number multiply by second number, right? So students, so you know when we will do the rest of the questions, we are going to follow this trick only. Ki ma'am has said ki okay, if the information about one is given, and definitely they will ask the information about more. तो आपने क्या करना होता है, मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन लाइक आई हैव मेड फॉर यू दिस ब्लू बॉक्सेस. ओके, दिस ब्लू बॉक्सेस आर जस्ट लाइक पैकेट. लाइक मेरी इमेजिनेशन मुझे ये कह रही है ओके, फर्स्ट पैकेट में 144 बैलून्स हैं, सेकंड पैकेट में 144 हैं, थर्ड पैकेट ऑल्सो, फोर्थ पैकेट ऑल्सो, फिफ्थ पैकेट ऑल्सो, एंड सो ऑन वी विल गो टिल 26 पैकेट्स. ओके, तो वही आप करने वाले हो. इमेजिन करोगे ओके, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू ऐड 144 अगेन एंड अगेन, तो आपने मल्टीप्लाई करना है बेटा. ठीक है, अब ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन आई होप आपने प्रैक्टिस कॉपी में बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस की होगी क्वेश्चंस की, और आप परफेक्ट हो गए होंगे, राइट? चलो सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन लाइव विद मी सो दैट यू शुड नॉट फेस प्रॉब्लम इन रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. Like, as you know, first of all, we have to multiply by 6, 144, okay? 6 4s are 24, 2 will go as a carry, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26, okay? Then 2 as a carry again, then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 8. So this is how we have completed our one step. Now before we start with the second step, that means 2. That means multiplication by 2. So before that I have guided you, cut the previous carries, okay, to avoid any confusion, and also make a cross, right? Now you have to multiply 2. अब आपने 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है किससे, 144 से. अब आप 2 को सेम प्रोसेस से करोगे. 2 4s are 8, okay, 2 4s are 8, and then 2 1s are 2. Now this is the time to add them, and I have told you beta before you add the numbers, आप एक बार रफ में चेक कर लिया करो सेकंड वाली डिजिट को मेनली. 144 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, ओके, सेकेंड डिजिट, बिकॉज फर्स्ट डिजिट तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप सेकेंड में भी करते आए हो कि एक डिजिट से मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं. ओनली द मेन कंफ्यूजन इज अबाउट सेकेंड डिजिट, सो यू शुड डू दैट इन द रफ कॉलम, because I have told you in exams no so many multiplications are going to come, hardly 1 or 2 will come, okay? So you should have perfect scores in your multiplication sums. So let me calculate. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. This is 288. Even I am also getting 288, right? Now we will add them nicely. So this 4 will be written as it is. As I have told you, this cross is as 0. Okay, then 8 6 are 14, we will write 4, 1 will go as a carry. Now you have to add these three numbers. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 1 17, then 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3. So this is how students you have got your answer, 3744. Now number sentence, okay, number sentence बेटी आपने अच्छे से किया है. Number sentence means beta whatever you are doing multiplication and answer will be written together, okay? Number sentence you will simply write 144 multiply by 26 is equal to whatever answer you are getting, you will simply write it as 3744. Okay, so this is your number sentence, and you should even write the answer in therefore form also, that I have already guided you already. ठीक है कि आप therefore form में भी आंसर लिख सकते हो. like simply आप लिखोगे 26 packets contain how many balloons, 3744 balloons. So this is how students you can do your questions, right? Chalo. Now read the second question with me. Okay, there are 18 sections in a school. Each section has 54 students. Okay, like in your school also there are different sections for different class. Like you are in third class. In third class 4 sections are there, and they are telling in each section 54 students are there. They are talking about number of students in the school. Okay, now you will say, ma'am, you have told you have to find out the information about 1. Yes. See, in the second line, the information is given. Each section has 54 students. तो बेटा क्या स्टेटमेंट बनाओगे आप? क्विकली फ्रेम इट. हाउ विल यू फ्रेम द स्टेटमेंट? Each section has students is equal to 54. And then second statement, 18 sections has students is equal to 54 multiplied by 18. Okay, let me write for you so that you should not face any problem. So students, this is how you will frame the statement. Okay, number of each section has students, and then 18 sections has students is equal to 18 multiplied by 54. Okay students, so this is how better, like when I am showing you the solution, so you should keep the math book with you so that you can relate with the answer with the question. Okay, like आपको information दी थी about one section, each की information दी थी. मैंने आपको बताया है ना कि you have to find out the information about one means each. Okay, like in this question they have given you the information about one section. They are talking about the information about 18 sections. Okay, ठीक है. So this is how you can do multiplication question. I don't think so कि आपको multiplication यहाँ पे explain करने की ज़रूरत है. But one thing very important बेटा, as you will see that here I have written 18 multiplied by 54. Okay, but when you will do multiply na, so you should try to write big number on the top. Like 18 and 54, 18 is the biggest, 54 is the biggest number. So you should write 54 on the top and 18 at down. Okay, so this way you will have your answers very easily. Because we know that in multiplication order doesn't change the answer. Either we multiply 54 by 18 or 18 by 54, but the answer doesn't change. Okay, see now the next question, read with me. In question number 3, now they are talking about a man buys 28 liters of milk every day. Okay, that means like you know at your home also है ना, mama brings the milk for you. Like, okay, so this is the information about a man who is buying 28 liters every day. 28 liters is very much. And of course you can ask from your mama also, mama, how many liters we daily buy from the market? Definitely she will say you 2 to 3 liters, right? But 28 liters is enough every day. Every day means a man is buying 28 liters milk every day. Okay, how many liters of milk will he buy in 329 days? So now think about it. Quickly think about it. How will you frame the statement? They have given you the quantity of milk bought in one day. आपको ये बताया हुआ है कि वन डे में कितना मिल्क बाय कर रहा है पर्सन, 28 लीटर. तो ये तो टॉप पे आ जाएगी इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड देन यू विल राइट मिल्क बाय इन 329 डेज. बिग नंबर मल्टीप्लाई बाय स्मॉल नंबर. ओके, सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है. ओके, यू कैन सिंपली राइट. लेट मी राइट फॉर यू सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड नाइसली. So students, as you can see that we have framed the statement this way. Okay, a man is buying milk in one day 28 liter, and a man buy milk in 329 days. 329 multiplied by 8. And better liter word also you can identify, like you have studied in the measurement chapter in class 2. We use liter for liquids. Okay, for liquids that you should know. Like for weight we use a kg, for length we use meter and kilometer, right? So okay, बस आपने basically बस 329 को 28 से multiply करना है, you will get your answer. Okay, like in this problem also they have given you the information about one day की information दी हुई थी और वो आपसे ज्यादा days की इंफॉर्मेशन आस्क कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो बस आपने मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. दे हैव गिवन यू द प्राइस ऑफ अ टॉय. सी, दे हैव गिवन यू द प्राइस ऑफ वन टॉय. अ टॉय मीन्स वन टॉय. तो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली वो मैनी टॉयज का इंफॉर्मेशन जानना चाहते हैं. तो आप सिंपली लिखोगे cost भी बोल सकते हैं. in place of price you can write cost. Like sometimes you also ask from your parents, mama, what is the cost of this toy, what is the cost of this item, this way, right? Okay, so you will simply write cost of one toy is equal to 126, and definitely they are asking the cost of many toys, so you will do 126 multiply by 36. आप मल्टीप्लाई कर लोगे, ठीक है? नाउ बेटा सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 5, okay, it is also very very interesting. A box contain 48 chalk sticks. Okay, like you can see that at the teacher's table you find a chalk box. In that chalk box है ना, there are some chalk sticks होते हैं, and they are asking find the number of chalk sticks in 54 boxes. That means again they have given you the information about one box. And they are asking the number of chalk sticks in many boxes. ठीक है, I have told you to relate this way कि आपको one की information दी हुई है, आपको many की find out करनी है. अब many की कैसे calculate करते हैं? Multiply करके. Okay, so let me solve for you. Yes, see students, question number 5 I have framed this way. Number of chalk sticks in one box 48, number of chalk sticks in 54 boxes. So you will simply multiply. And students, one thing very very important I want to tell you, like this is how I have framed a statement, but you can frame the statement in your way also, but somewhat it should be correct. Like you can frame from the book also, like it has written a box contain 48 chalk sticks. तो आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, a box contain chalk sticks is equal to 48 and 54 boxes contain chalk sticks is equal to 54 multiplied by 48, right? So you can frame the statement in your way also, right? Okay, so there is no problem. Now students, next question. Question number 6 students. A chain contain 135 beads. Beads होते हैं वो मोती होते हैं ना, मोती होते हैं, pearls होते हैं. How many beads will be there in 48 chains? ये भी बहुत interesting question है. There is no problem according to me. Right, very very interesting question. Like they have given you the information about beads in one chain. आप simply लिखोगे number of beads in one chain and they are asking about number of beads in 48 chains. Okay, और एक और तरीके से भी बना सकते हो, जैसे बुक में लिखा हुआ है वैसे भी लिख सकते हो. A chain contain beads is equal to 35 and 48 chains contain beads is equal to 135 multiplied by 48. Right? So very very interesting. Now question number 7 students. Question number 7 is also very interesting. A bed sheet cost rupees 129. Now again you will say, ma'am, they are talking about information of one bed sheet. आपको एक बेड शीट का प्राइस बताया हुआ है 129. Like I have told you, cost means price. आप प्राइस भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है? यू विल राइट प्राइस ऑफ वन बेड शीट इज इक्वल टू 129 एंड प्राइस ऑफ 22 बेड शीट्स इज इक्वल टू 129 multiplied by 22. Okay, so this is how students you can solve your problems. And one multiplication let me explain to you for better understanding. Like I have taken one multiplication part from your question number 6. Okay, so try to understand once again. If still you have any doubt, you can clear your doubts, right? So as you can see that the top number is 135 and the bottom number is 48. Okay, we always start the multiplication from the ones column of the multiplier. सबसे पहले आपने 135 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Okay, let's start with it. 8 5s are 40, then 4 will go as a carry. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4. बेटा मे बी आई एम ऑल्सो रॉन्ग, आप मेरी गलती फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, 28. ठीक है, 28. ओके, then 2 will go as a carry, right? 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. We will write simply 10 because there is no more digit to write add down. Okay students, now we have to multiply by 4, and before we start with the 4, you need to cut the previous carries. आप carries को cut करोगे and then you will write cross symbol. Okay, so that you should not confuse कि मैम कौन सा carry plus करना है. Now अब आपको 4 से multiply करना है. 4 5s are 20. We will write 0 here and 2 we will go as a carry. क्योंकि 4 और 5 को जब multiply करेंगे तो carry जो है वो 10th place पे जाएगा. ठीक है. Now 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 4 here and 1 will go as a carry. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now this is the time to add these two numbers, and I have told you beta before you add them you should check the second digit. Second digit मतलब ये जो 4 है ना, इसको एक बार रफ में चेक कर लिया करो so that you can assure. ऐड करने से पहले चेक कर लो रफ में, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. चलो अब आप ऐड करोगे. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 1 carry, 540. Yes, I am getting 540, right? अब आप बस प्लस कर दो. Here we will get 0, 8 plus 0 8, 0 plus 4 4, 5 plus 1 6. So this is how you can get your answer. Okay, beta, you need to practice multiplication questions nicely and get it checked by your parents too. Okay, so students, that's all for the day. You have to do exercise 31 word problems, question number 1 to 7. Okay, I hope the things are clear and you can do definitely in your copy, right? So thank you students, bye bye, take care.